Hello everybody, my name is Emmanuel and I got something to give my present my birthday. It is I did buy it already. I have a PvP Station Light 3000 this game. Let's open up. It's gonna be like something play video games. Look what I got. This game. This game is also awesome. This game, so amazing. This is the PvP Station Lite. Digital pocket system, this video games. Look at all something behind this game in the batteries and the video games. It is something it's like a Game Boy Advance. It is a video game, so awesome. It is a video that's gonna be display. It's gonna play Angry Birds. It's a play video games. Look at all, it's like a beautiful shiny. The box is so shiny, brilliant. There was so beautiful something TV out power in the card game. Take this something how to do for look at I show you. This is the play. It's a super classic card too. But I don't have to know that one. It's something super classic card 1 and super classic card 2. It's a video games. It is like a Game Boy Advance. Let's put it in. It is Game Mars of JJ. It is from Super Mario Bros. Look. I don't think it's gonna be the batteries, it's not work. I don't have a cable. I have to gonna be another one to buy for. It is for connect because it's battery. It's not even work. Look, this is gonna be for. This is for battery in this connect. I don't have a cable because it's something the batteries. I want to use that one. Maybe I'll buy this gonna be next time. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and ring the bell and like. I did buy it's gonna be a play video games into the PvP Station Lite 3000 this game. So thank you very much, and I'll buy this at eBay store. So bye. Hi, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my on YouTube channel and ring the bell and like. Thank you so much. My name is Emmanuel, and see you next time.